Welcome to our YouTube channel Income Center Akir, where we delve into the fascinating world of personal finance and investment opportunities. In today's video, we will be discussing mutual funds, a popular investment vehicle that offers numerous advantages for individuals seeking to grow their wealth. We'll explore what mutual funds are, identify some of the best mutual funds available, and highlight the key advantages of investing in them. So, let's get started. What is a mutual fund? Mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. They are managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. By investing in a mutual fund, you essentially buy units or shares of the fund, which represent your ownership in the underlying securities. Best mutual funds? When it comes to choosing the best mutual funds, it's essential to consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Here are a few types of mutual funds that have performed well historically. Equity funds. These funds invest primarily in stocks and offer potential long-term capital appreciation. They can be further classified based on their investment style, such as large cap, mid cap, small cap, or sector-specific funds. Bond funds. Bond funds invest in fixed income securities like government bonds, corporate bonds, or municipal bonds. They are suitable for investors seeking stable income with relatively lower risk. Index funds. Index funds aim to replicate the performance of a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer broad market exposure and generally have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. Balanced funds. Balanced funds allocate investments across both stocks and bonds to provide a balanced risk-reward profile. They are suitable for investors looking for a mix of growth and income. Advantages of mutual funds. Investing in mutual funds offers several advantages that make them an attractive choice for many investors. Diversification. Mutual funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of securities, reducing the risk associated with investing in a single stock or bond. Diversification helps spread your investments across different assets, industries, and geographies, potentially minimizing the impact of any single investment's poor performance. Professional management. Mutual funds are managed by experienced fund managers who have the expertise to research, analyze, and select suitable investments. Their knowledge and experience can be beneficial in navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Accessibility. Mutual funds provide access to investment opportunities that may be otherwise difficult for individual investors to access, such as foreign markets or specialized sectors. They also offer a range of investment options with varying risk levels and investment minimums, making them accessible to investors with different financial capabilities. Liquidity. Mutual funds are generally liquid, allowing investors to buy or sell their shares at the current net asset value, NAV, on any business day. This feature provides investors with flexibility and the ability to access their investments when needed. Affordability. Mutual funds enable small investors to participate in the financial markets with relatively lower investment amounts. The pooled nature of mutual funds allows investors to benefit from economies of scale, reducing transaction costs and making them cost-effective investment vehicles. Mutual funds offer individuals the opportunity to participate in the financial markets and achieve their investment goals with professional management and diversification. By selecting the best mutual funds aligned with your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember to conduct thorough research, consult with a financial advisor if needed, and stay informed about the performance and fees associated with the mutual funds you choose. Happy investing!